Hello, my artist friends. Welcome to my educational channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to draw this lip. Well, as you can see, I prepared the initial design. The most important thing to start drawing is to identify the important lines. Well, there are a lot of lines in a lip, so first I start drawing all the lines that I see in the photo. In the first stage, we don't care much about the degree of darkness. The most important thing is that all the lines are clear. From the details on the texture of the lips, to different lines, such as teeth and around the lips. Some parts also create shadows at the same time as the lines are defined, because the lines on the lips are very many and close together. Keep looking at the original photo and draw everything you see in the photo on paper. You can download the photo file from the Telegram link in the description. For these types of designs, we add all the darkness with a pencil. We proceed step by step. After we add the lines to the work, we look for the parts where the volume of the lips is visible and the darkness, and create them. We can create dark and light spaces at the same time by shading and creating lines. I look at the original photo, and I perform all the darkness, lightness, and shadows with the same pencil. At this stage of the work, we completely define both the volume of the lips and the lines. In the next stage, we start using the blender and blend the shadows we created. At this stage, we define all the highlights and places of light and create the texture of the skin of the lips. We must be careful that the main place of the lines and shadows is defined, but after this stage, we must draw them with appropriate grays. Now is the time to draw a good contrast in the painting. In some places, more darkness is needed, and in some places, more light is needed. I use all the tools to create these shadows and lights: pencil, blender, mechanical eraser, and electric eraser. With each of these tools, I create a specific light and darkness. If you have seen the first videos, you will get a good understanding of how and where to use this tool. For some parts where I want to make the gray levels a little lighter, I use a paste eraser or kneaded eraser. But the point is that all the darkness in the work is created by the pencil, so sufficient mastery of hand pressure and pencil skills are very important. And also knowing the degrees of shadows and contrast so that you can create the appropriate darkness anywhere. As you can see, I create different degrees of gray with this same pencil. You can watch the previous videos to gain pencil skills. We will go part by part. In some parts, we can first create the darkness and then lighten it step by step with erasers. And in some parts, we can use all the tools at the same time and complete the work. It is very important that when you use the blender, your hand pressure is appropriate. If your hand pressure is too high, it will cause smudges, and later you will not be able to create the right light in the work using the erasers. So always use minimal pressure and proceed step by step with calmness and patience. Do not rush in this art at all, and be patient. Some parts of your painting may need to be drawn and erased over and over. In these early stages, always keep the original photo next to you and always look at it. It is very important to first acquire the skill of drawing, similar to the original photo. For now, it is very good if the generality and shape of the painting are equal to the original photo. And in future videos, you will also learn realistic drawing methods. Adding many and different details to your painting gives a lot of beauty, but you should keep in mind that you always add only as many of these details as necessary. Too much details can make your work look artificial and unrealistic. For the inside of the mouth, we will first add the darkness and then use the blender to create shadows on the teeth. And finally, using all the tools you have and the skills you have acquired, add the final touches. I hope you enjoy drawing this lip. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Write your questions to me in the comments section. Good luck, my artist friends.